If you are new to my channel M Karmakar, click on the subscribe button and turn all notification to get all latest videos. Welcome. Question is cos theta plus sec theta is equal to 2. Then find the value of sec to the power 2025 theta plus cos to the power 2025 theta. With the value of the given expression, that means sec to the power 2025 theta plus cos to the power 2025 theta, we have to solve this equation. That means given equation. If now writing the given equation, cos theta plus sec theta, that is equal to 2. Here there are two trigonometric functions, cos theta and sec theta. But solve this equation, we have to convert in one trigonometric function. That means either cos theta or sec theta. Writing cos theta as it is first term plus for second term. No, there is a trigonometric formula sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. So write 1 by cos theta, that is equal to. Now reduce this equation in simplified form. That means adding left hand side cos square theta plus 1 by cos theta equal to 2. Or now cross multiplying cos square theta plus 1 is equal to cos theta. Now transpose the term of right hand side to the left, cos square theta, and rearranging. That means first writing 2 cos theta plus 1, that is equal to 0. Obviously the last equation is the quadratic equation in cos theta. Also observe this can be written as cos theta minus 1 whole square or 1 minus cos theta whole square. So as cos theta is in extreme left, so writing cos theta minus 1 whole square, it is equal to 0, because obviously cos theta minus 1 whole square, that is equal to cos square theta plus cos theta plus 1. So left hand side factors and two factors are same, so we will have two roots. As this is quadratic equation, but two roots are equal, so from first factor cos theta minus 1 is equal to 0 or cos theta is equal to 1. From second factor writing here cos theta minus 1 is equal to 0 or cos theta is equal to 1. So both roots are equal and same. Now we are going to find the value of the given expression. What is the given expression? X to the power 2025 theta plus cos to the power 2025 theta. So write for last station. That means now x to the power 2025 theta plus cos to the power 2025 theta. We have to find out the value of this last expression, but We have got the value of cos theta. We need to find the value of sec theta. So finding here, that is equal to 1 by cos theta, or sec theta is equal to 1 by 1, as cos theta is equal to 1 we have before, or sec theta is equal to 1. Now this expression, find putting the value of sec theta is equal to 1, equal to 0.25 plus 1 equal to 5, that is equal to 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. Why this is 1? Anything to the power 1, one is 1. Therefore, required value of is. If you like this video, please click on the like button. If this video helps you learn something new, please share it with your friends.